SOLIDWORKS Simulation Premium is the comprehensive finite element analysis toolkit. Extend beyond the design optimization capabilities of Professional package and predict how your products will perform under dynamic loading or when made of complex materials. The Premium package of SOLIDWORKS Simulation provides support for observing loading effects on composite materials and the non-linear static behavior of plastic and rubber materials. These complex loading conditions are commonly evaluated with SOLIDWORKS Simulation Premium. This electric motor has been mounted on a bracket. Under motor operation, harmonic loading will occur, which could cause failure due to the vibrations it induces on the bracket. A linear dynamic study can be used to represent a shaker table and accurately calculate the natural frequencies and review stresses and displacements over time or in the frequency domain without the extra computational expense. SOLIDWORKS Simulation Premium allows stresses to be reviewed and areas of concern to be highlighted easily. These rubber feet will act as a vibrational damper and fulfill the required design change. Nonlinear dynamic analyses accurately predict the hyperelastic behavior of the rubber and contact conditions, rapidly adapting to design changes. Axisymmetric studies can be run in SOLIDWORKS Simulation Premium, allowing engineers to check contact pressures and review the effectiveness of a seal. Engineers trust SOLIDWORKS Simulation to validate and inform their design decisions, and as part of the TriMet group, we support them throughout their product development journey. Watch how SOLIDWORKS Simulation helps you design better, faster and stronger products in the demonstrations around our website, or book your own private demonstration or simulation review to discover how we can help you reduce costs and maximize your efficiency.